storage is definitely one of the emerging technologies which is becoming mainstream, and it is to some extent becoming almost a silver bullet for many applications. One key application, particularly when it comes to the stationary storage, is related to the distributed renewable energy and its integration. As we have seen in last 2 decades, there has been an amazing improvement in terms of the economics of solar energy in particular, where solar energy has become from like one of the costliest green energy to now becoming a more affordable and one of the cheapest energy sources available for the grid. So we do see that there is a tremendous opportunity for distributed deployment of energy storage technologies along with solar or even solar wind hybrid projects. The reason for this is that there is a with the reduction in the cost of these renewable energy sources, particularly in India, where commercial and industrial customers pay the highest tariff, there is an opportunity that by adding storage and making these renewable energy resources dispatchable, the commercial industrial customers can achieve very significant savings as compared to just the grid power. So for 5 years back, this was something which was linked to the diesel saving, where it was RE plus storage was seen as a way for reducing diesel consumption, making the environment greener and saving money. But especially with last 3-4 years cost reduction, which has happened both with solar as well as energy storage. Now RE plus storage hybrid, where you can integrate around say 50% of your solar as storage. So if you are building a 1 megawatt solar park, then at least like put in 300 to 500 kilowatt of energy storage for 2 to 4 hours, and then looking at as an integrated tariff, you can get it under 6 rupees, which is quite attractive for commercial and industrial customer. And with a continued improvement in manufacturing and performance of these technologies, we do anticipate that within next 5 years, this integrated price of RE plus storage will start coming down below 4 rupees. So more and more customers will start adopting this. So this is a tremendous opportunity for entrepreneurs who are working on rooftop solar or other distributed energy storage technologies, or looking for microgrids, mini grids. And this can really help both consumers as well as this is a great new business opportunity, and people who understand the nitty-gritties in terms of how to integrate which storage technologies with which renewables, how do you size these technologies, as well as how do you optimize the actual operation of it. That's a key in terms of making a successful business model out of this. So I hope this is helpful. If you need any more information, feel free to reach out to India Energy Storage Alliance at indiaesa.info for more information. Thank you.